Today we will be making a rockfish chowder in a sourdough bread bowl. This is a winter recipe you are absolutely going to love. It is hearty and it is very healthy, boosting your immune system during these winter months. We're gonna start by adding 1 pound of peppered bacon or your favorite bacon. But we are gonna set a little bit aside to crumble on top of our chowder when it's finished. So we've just finished with our bacon. It is crisp and golden and delicious, and we've left about a couple tablespoons of the bacon fat in the pan, along with all of the crispy bits in there. It's gonna add a ton of flavor to our chowder. Now we're gonna saute our onions and celery in that bacon fat. Once our onions and celery are cooked, we're gonna add our spices, salt and pepper. Then we're gonna add in our chicken stock. After our chicken stock, we put in all of our sliced red potatoes. Then we're just gonna bring our stock to a simmer to get those potatoes cooked. You want them cooked, but not overdone. You don't want them to fall apart in your chowder. While our potatoes are cooking, we're gonna make a roux to thicken our chowder. It's as simple as a little bit of butter and a little bit of flour. Cook it down for maybe 1 to 2 minutes just to get the raw flour flavor off of it. Now we're just gonna add our roux to our chicken stock base. Be a little gentle with it so you don't break up your potatoes. Then once everything is combined, you're gonna add 2 cups of whole milk and 2 cups of heavy cream. We're gonna gently bring this to a simmer. You absolutely do not wanna allow this to come to a boil. It will make your milk break, I think is technically what it's called, but it'll look kind of curdled at the top. Nobody wants to eat a chowder like that. So now that our chowder has come to a gentle simmer, we're gonna add in our rockfish. We always talk about how healthy fish is, but did you know that seafood actually boosts our immune system? Not only is it loaded with omega-3s, which are anti-inflammatory and they help keep infections in check, but it's also loaded with zinc and selenium, which are both crucial for immune function. And it's loaded with B12, which, I don't know if you know this, but rockfish has just as much B12 as a T-bone steak, just far less calories. And be sure to add those crispy bacon bits back into your chowder. And the best thing is, once you put rockfish into your chowder, it only takes about 5 minutes to cook and then it's ready to serve.